I'm Bill and this is Jim.
And welcome to part 2 of the Coca-Cola experiment
With the Science Alliance. This is part 2 of Coca-Cola video, which there was a part 1 because this is part 2, and yeah. And if you haven't watched part 1, watch it now. Link will be in the description. And in part 2, which is this one, we're just going to be having fun with Coca-Cola and Mentos.
Just to get things started from the last video, we're just going to do a simple one where I just put maybe 4 Mentos into it. Okay, let's open the lid first. Fabulous.
So this time we're going to do 10 Mentoses at once.
Yes, hopefully this makes a bigger chemical reaction.
1, go! Wow! Woo. Okay, this time we are going to put in all 12 Mentoses into this Coke bottle, and then Jim will try to close it and yeah, just tighten it.
And let's see what happens.
3, 2, 1. Close it!
Ah, my mind!
Close it! Tighten it! Tightens. Might explain. To subscribe, press here, and to watch another video, press there.
And if you want daily science facts, make sure to follow our Instagram page @the Science Alliance.